This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at gold and silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have gold, your daily and your weekly chart. Now let me bigger up a little bit here. All right, what do we have here now? Okay, well, we have a nice series of higher lows here. See this? 1823. Then we came down over here. Okay, you have 1936. And then we came here. You got 1987. And then right now, so far here, we have 2038. Now, you can see where you topped right out here. That was a huge topping tail here. Tried to recover here, but now it looks like you lost that 8 SMA here. So let's just look at the upside here first. So what you want to do here, this needs to regroup here and recapture this 2047. I mean, like ASAP. Okay, if you can, the next one is going to be this 8 SMA here, sitting at 2.68. Now, again, if we can get above that, then when we look over here, is we look at 2.74 here. We have on this here 2.84. This candle here 2.88. And then we come up here, you have 2.95. And then we have this candle here, which is 2098. That's going to be very, very critical because you can see here how this line right up here, pretty much a nice double top besides this spike going on here, okay? So this is going to be the key level right here on the upside, that 2098 here. If you can, then you can rock it and maybe do the retest up here. But this 21-day here and this 8 SMA, very crucial here on the upside. Now, on the downside here, well, if this keeps falling here, you want to look obviously to the low here. You're looking at 2038. And then we come into all of this right here, okay? So basically here, you're looking at 2029 here. So this is very, very key. And then we want to do is we want to look over here to this candle here, which you look at the high, basically is 2019. So say 2020 right there, okay? Because see where that price channel is? It came down and then it broke through that and then it rallied on up here. So that's going to be very, very key. And it lines up very, very nicely here with the 2017, your 50-day. Now, again, if that's lost, then you're going to come down and retest this price channel here very, very easily at 1987 here. But what we do is just one level at a time. Right now, you have a nice series of higher lows here. That's always very, very good. So if you can hold this area right here, that would be great. And even if you can hold, okay, say this basically 2020 area here, and even this 2017, because your series of higher lows would still be very, very much intact here, okay? So again here, now when you look at a weekly chart here, we have an 8 SMA here sitting right there, sitting at 2038. That's looking pretty good. And then you can come all the way down here to this 21-day and here, and even down to the 50 SMA here, sitting right basically at 1964. But really here, you really want to hold that uptrend for it to go higher, okay? So bottom line here on the upside, watch that key 21-day, watch that 8 SMA here, and then watch the top of this candle here. That's going to be crucial at 2098. On the downside here, watch this candle right here, okay? That's at 2029. This here, 2020, and then this key 50-day at 2017. All right, let's take a look and see what silver is doing. All right, here we have silver, your daily and your weekly chart. Now you can see it's pretty much the same thing here. You got a really nice, good series of higher lows. Here you got 2085 here. Then we have this candle here. You got a low of 2192. And then we have this candle here at 2278 here. And then so far here today here, you got 2304. Now, again, we could come all the way down to that price channel down at that 2278, and you still would be in good shape here, okay? But I like that series of higher lows that always gives you a nice, good bullish trend here, okay? So now it looks like you broke below all these SMAs here. So now here on the upside, you want to look at this 2345 here, and then 2380, that's going to be your 50-day and your 200-day. And then we have 2411, which is basically your 8-day and your 21-day, which are rolling over very, very nicely. Again, the key to this is going to be this candle right here, okay? See, that's what you want to look at, that 2489. If you can get above here, then we can just follow these candles all the way on up here. Okay, do 2502 here. You got 2544, 2568, and then you have 2594. And your big retest up here is 2634. But you really need to close above this candle here. That would be the key to send you off higher. But there's so much resistance there with the 100, the 50, the 200 day. This is just absolutely rolling over here. Okay, so now let's just watch the downside here. So on a closing basis here for the week, you want to hold this key 200 SMA here, okay? So you're sitting at 2308. That is going to be very, very crucial. And then right below that thing here is you got that 2271 here, which lines up pretty nice here with the 2278. Again, if that's lost, then we just go in reverse here. Then we just follow all of these candles here right on down to your big retest here of 2085 here. So right now, this looks like it just topped out just like it did, just like gold did here. I think it was following the old Bitcoin action there. I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't understand it. I have no idea what it is. But maybe if when they come out with the ETF, maybe I might catch a little interest. I have no idea. We'll see. So bottom line here, on just watch this key 2278. If that is lost here, then we're going to come down here and retest these candles here all the way on down. On the upside, watch that 100-day, your 50, 200-day at 2380, and then 2411 here, your 8 and your 21-day. All right, that's what I got for you on the gold and silver. Thanks for watching.